Anyways, welcome. This is the part where I try to pretend to get a good shot. So hey guys, welcome on board. This video will not be having your regular kind of introduction. I am super excited to be here with you again. I don't know why my hair kept disturbing me, my mouth. Okay, so today I'll be doing a quick unboxing. I totally loved all of these items I bought, but then I'll be showing you how I felt about opening each of these items. So this is the orange Hermes. Is it called Hermes? Yeah. So this is the orange Hermes slippers I got. I totally love the slippers. It's so comfortable. If you know me so well, you know that I do love slippers so much, or slip-on, flats, however you call them. And the vendor was so easy, and the vendor was quick and fast. Delivery was smooth and no stress. I would be dropping her link below in the description box. This one is my all-time favorite. I like the fact that it was really small in front. I do have a slim fit, so sometimes it can be quite difficult getting my size. I don't usually know if I'm a size 40 or a 41, so this was the perfect size. Perfect for me. Number 2. So we would be hopping next to number 3. I don't know what is in here, but let's go. Let's find out. Okay, calm down, Inya, calm down. Okay, I am getting excited. Ooh, hey guys, I love blue so much. This blue Hermes slippers is my all-time favorite. I know I've kind of said like every slip on is my all-time favorite, but then it's just what it is. I do like every single piece of this item I got. I think some of this cost me around 8,000, 9 to 10,000 thereabouts for each of this flat. I cannot remember. Some cost me around 12,000. I can't remember which was around that prices, but this was the price range I did got them for. This one, when I saw the picture of this, I saw the picture of this on Dima Ume. If you know Dima Ume is one of my favorite YouTubers. Dima Ume wears this flat and it was so beautiful. So when I saw it on this vendor, I hopped on it. It was an absolute fave. It is so comfortable, and the good thing with this slips, the fact that they don't go old, you have great quality, and of course you get value for your money. Your good money spent, you get good value for it. This is the Simi product. I don't know if that's pronounced properly, but however, I like this because this is actually very versatile. I could wear it for my English, I could wear it for my native attires, short gown, and it's just comfortable. It's just a rich auntie kind of vibes, kind of slippers, so I do like it a lot. If you're not a slippers person and you don't think you can spend more than 5,000 or 3,000 for slippers, it's totally fine. Everybody with their preferences. So this is number 6. I can't wait to show you guys what's here. Let's see. This is the Ole. Is it Oleg or Ole? Whoever the brand is, I don't know, and I care less about it. Okay, yes, I do remember this right now. This is actually comfortable. I wear this a lot when I'm putting on long flowing gown. Rich auntie stuff, rich auntie vibes, of course, and it's totally comfortable. But you might want to get this if you have a long slim leg like mine. But if you do have fat full legs, this might not be the kind of slippers for you. The other black would be your perfect dough. I'm giving all of those slippers a 10/10 rating. Of course, I bought them with my money, so what else are you expecting? So let's hop on to the next one. Okay, so I did buy them to match with a bag for some. Yes. So up next is the bag review. Okay, I do like big bags a lot. I think they are comfortable and they help me carry a lot of my stuff based on what I do and where I'm going per time. I actually also like the smaller bag thing, but I think the big bag thing is my thing. It's absolutely amazing, and it just helps me carry a lot of things. I have big jotters, big purse, big stuff basically. So this is the orange Hermes bag, and I think this bag is just cute. Orange is the new black. If that makes sense. Okay, I do like orange. And come to think of it, I was actually in orange house in my secondary school days, or high school, however you call that. So this is just easy, comfortable, and basically it. Whoa, that was a lot of trash inside the bag. But then, however, I like this bag. It's actually really cute, super super comfortable. All of these extra tax things that come with bags, I think they actually have a way of making it more expensive. But come to think of it, they actually make it more beautiful and pretty. Okay, growing up, I think this was like one of those colorful bags I used to see my mother carry, and I used to like really admire them. And okay, this is a piece. I got every single thing in this video from one single vendor. Her name is Asmi Scents and Perfumes on Instagram. You might want to check her out. And basically that's just it. This video is just me trying something out fun and just very casual and just being me. Nothing so serious. And okay, I'm basically nothing so serious. I think I like this bag the most. I do like it the most amongst every single big bag I own presently. This is actually very comfortable. It came with a lot of stuff, purse, and a smaller purse and a bigger purse. If that makes sense. Yes, this is the big one and that's the small one. I presently can't remember how much this cost me, but it was really affordable, very affordable. And if you are a big bag person like me, I think you should hop on this. And basically that's just it. Thank you so much for sticking around here. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. I hope to just be able to share my random musings, random buyings, and some little extravagant spendings and anything that comes to my mind and interests me with you. Until I see you another time, thank you for watching.